Hi guys, my name is Ninad and I'm a SharePoint SPFX developer with more than 12 years of experience. So in last video, I built this app and as you can see over here, I built the clone of Spotify and I built it on this new Bolt.new application. Okay, it is really good. It is actually really good. You can see the UI of it. No argument about it. It is good. But my only question is using this Bolt.new, it created me a nice, stunning UI looking application, Spotify clone. But is this production ready or it is just another play toy, You got what I'm trying to say, right? So, so is this really production ready? Let's test it. Let's say, uh, if we want to do something in a real world, example, if I say add a real Firebase database. Let's see if it can handle this because this is what is needed, right? Without it, it's just a static application, nothing else. Okay, so this is the response I got. It says that it cannot use Firebase instead of Bolt database for this project. It is configured for Bolt database, saying that switching to Firebase would require complete rewrite. Uh, yeah. See, this is the problem. This is the problem of this. This is the problem of this. See, I do get it. This bolt is really incredible for the 0 to 1. But when I try to connect to a real Firebase database, it hit a wall. It says that it's going to regenerate the entire file and it's just gonna burn our tokens and introduce to a new box. So as if you are a developer, you can understand. The more and more you try to regenerate something, you will be introduced to a lot of bugs. So that's why in our coding realm, we say if it works, don't touch it. That's a joke, but it do really works. Okay. So jokes apart, guys. So I did found something better, something long lasting or something production ready, and it's called Cursor. This application. If you don't know, this is a new editor. It is natively built on AI. Okay, it is not just a generator. As you can see, it's a full IDE that knows your code base also. Okay, so this is the application, and you can see this is the chat over here. As soon as you open the application, you will see the chat over here, and you will give you a prompt to add a folder. So what I did was I downloaded the application from my Bolt into my local machine, and then I just added the project over here, opened the folder over here. That's it, nothing else. So today I'm going to try this cursor application. I'm going to compare if this cursor is better than Bolt. Will it just uh, give me the same result as Bolt with a static UI or a complete production ready, or it can do much better, much more than what Bolt does. Okay, so let's start with asking the cursor explain me the code base and also explain me how the music player logic works. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, watch this, guys. In Bolt I have to explain the context, but in cursor I just typed and asked it to explain me the logic. It is really explaining what the code I didn't even write. And as you can see, it is going each and every component where the logic is happening, where is the render happening, how it is combining all those things. Wow, guys, this is really good, huh? This is really good. It is actually showing the code, the flow, the logic. It is with this guys, you can create or enhance the application much more. You can tweak or you can customize as per your need. So let's say if you want to make any changes, you know where to make the exact change with this. Wow, I didn't even hope that it will be this good. This is really good. This is better, much better than gold. Good. Let's try it out and let's test this cursor. Okay, let's see if it can customize our Spotify clone to our needs. Let's see. So let's give it a prompt. So let's say I want to change the color scheme to purple, let's say. Let's just go with purple. And let's say, you know, download button to every music track. Let's see what it does. Wow, guys, I think cursor has done all the changes what we asked for. And the best part is it has changed to all the files where this requirement is needed. You know, wherever it has touched. So we don't have to do it manually. It has already done for us, and also it has made the changes to all the files. So this shows that the cursor can read all the files from our code base, not just one. It understands very well that if you want to change this so and so, each component it is going to affect, and accordingly it makes the changes. Pretty smart guys, pretty smart. Okay, this has changed. Current song also. Wow, nice. Let's say keep on. Okay, guys. Yeah, let's test it. Let's test what it has developed. Let's npm run there and see, if it has actually changed the color to purple and also on the download button. Let's go over here, click on here. Okay, guys, it has actually changed the theme to purple. As you can see over here, the application built on Bolt and the application built on cursor. I can actually feel the change, and if I can see over here, wow. See, if I click on it, it gives me a download button. It has actually added a download button for us, what we asked for. Let's see if it is working or not. Let's click on download. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, nice, very nice. This is good. This is good. So this is my take, guys. So here is the winning strategy, guys. So I suggest don't choose one. Use Bolt to scaffold the MVP or most viable product within a minute. Like within a minute, you can get the UI ready and all those things. But then export to GitHub, download it locally, and then upload it on Cursor, guys. And you can do the remaining 95% of the work to make it production ready, just like how I made. You can do customize these things very quickly and make a change, which with Bolt is not possible. As you can see, it's going to restructure everything, consume all the tokens, you know, that's why. So yes, so yes guys, my last take on this is Bolt gets you started. Can't argue with that. But cursor gets you paid. That's true. And I have linked both the tools below. In my next video, I'm going to take this Spotify clone. I'm actually going to deploy it to the web. Subscribe so don't you miss it.